Arrived Changsha, and in my hotel, in which I have a beautiful view of the Changsha pollution, as you can see, or as you cannot see. And in just a few minutes, I'm gonna be having lunch with George. George is a French guy who's been living here selling wine in Changsha for quite a while, and he's also a blogger. So we're gonna do some kind of vlog together. Let's see what happens. I try to get a taxi and go meet my friend George, which is in some kind of very nice restaurant somewhere near the river, as he say. I've been in Changsha a few times, but I don't know the place very well. Oh, 你好，多少钱？啊？多少钱？到哪里啊？我跟你讲。这个地方。
保留过价
2块
啊
？2块
？20块钱。
20块啊，不用。
到那里10来块了。
So this guy charged double than the taxi. Doesn't make any sense. How electric scooter? He's trying to rip me off. Never seen a foreigner in their life, and then when they see one, they like just say, "Hey, let's just rip this foreigner off." Charging double. Got a taxi. Oh, 你好。
你好。
Oh. 我给你看看。我就等一下啊。
没事没事没事。
这个地方。
保利国际。
拜拜。So, 15 RMB. The other guy on the bike, he wanted to charge me like 20. So, I didn't go rip off, jump on the car. By the way, it's very cold to get on a bike now.
Hello.
How are you? Hello.
How are you?
Check that out. It looks like a Chinese version of Christmas tree. Like a tree with this little lantern. What's up, homie? Warm up? Oh. That's right. Warming up before lunch. But anyway, I'm gonna go find George. Must be somewhere here. How are you, little fella?
Little fella.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
That's all I can say in French.
Yes.
George. Check it out. Vlogging the blogger again. You got your GoPro?
Yes, yes. And look, it's automatic. I can say GoPro turn off.
You can talk to the GoPro.
GoPro, stop recording. That's okay. Turn off.
Fancy. He talked to the GoPro and the GoPro do like the commands. I try to talk to my camera, doesn't do anything. Camera, open, do something. Focus, do something.
It's very tasty, but not very healthy in fact.
We're about to eat the favorite dish of Mao Zedong. And it was not a cigarette, it was food actually.
This is no. In fact, they changed a little bit, adapt because the hongshaorou is without spicy and cooked a lot with a lot of garlic and sugar. But this because the local people of Changsha like the spicy food, so they changed the way to cook it with a lot of spice.
That's the way Mao like it.
No.
I like it with sweet. So it's a little bit caramelized, you know, caramelized. This one is with spicy instead of caramel, you know.
So that is rice?
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice with beef, right? Or
The leaf is what?
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice. What's the meat?
Pork meat, the bone.
What's the name of the leaf?
Lettuce.
Lotus. You know, from the lotus flower.
这个。
Fancy. It's very nice. It got suddenly got quiet. Like all the people left. Like they have lunch and immediately go, right? Like they don't stay.
Just eat in 30 minutes.
It's not like staying for coffee, like have some dessert. It's like just eat, go.
You don't discuss. In fact, it's very important. What you know about this is like when you are in China, you shouldn't discuss about business at lunch. Lunch is just there to eat, drink, get drunk, make friends.
Yeah.
You should not discuss anything. If you discuss something, it should be jokes, local words, show your knowledge of the food. You know, nothing else.
How are you? It's my friend here. He's still having lunch late. He's like the last person in the restaurant. And they have, of course, the fire right here. Still have some fire inside the restaurant. Where is your kitty?
He went out. He's outside?
Ah, this is for the horses to drink water, right?
I think so. And what's funny here is in the evening, but you cannot see, sometimes they have some crocodiles. So once I went,
Crocodiles?
some living animals here. So that's only like you come in the evening here, it's like crazy.
They have crocodiles outside the restaurant, like pets.